Hey everybody, this is Josh, a part of BlockRoots. Nothing is financial advice, and I usually don't do this specifically, but I did want to talk to you today about Shroom Finance, an asset that I've been trading, that I've been excited about, that I am actually holding at this time. And I'll talk about that, how you can actually trade it, as well as how you can stake it, because a lot of people want to know how you can stake it and really what is it about Shroom Finance that is attractive, and how did I get into it? So basically, long story short, I started farming this on the first day. Something stuck out to me about Shroom Finance. The team was different. They were very professional. I did talk to the team, and I was impressed by what they're trying to create. And so they are not just a money grab. Shroom Finance, I mean, I'm sure they want to make money out of it because that's their job. But in the end, they are trying to create a valuable product here with in-game assets and non-fungible tokens. And so if you go ahead and go to Shroom Finance, you're going to notice that the page looks kind of like Nintendo, the 8-bit looking Shroom here. It will tell you how many Shroom you own if you connect it to your wallet, the current price, the market cap, and the total value staked. Currently, how much Shroom is staked, because you are getting rewards if you stake that. I'll talk about that and some other announcements. Again, it talks a little bit about Shroom on the About page, how they are focused on a community-owned decentralized exchange. They are focused on in-game assets and non-fungible tokens, which, again, the in-game asset industry is around $10 billion. And yes, there are other people who are doing somewhat like this, such as Engine, but they're not exactly the same, okay? So just know that Shroom Finance does have some unique selling propositions when it comes to, or unique selling points when it comes to their product and service. And so if you also want to go ahead and look at the Shroom community update, it tells you about how they're focused again on building a decentralized ecosystem for in-game assets, including NFTs, ERC 721s, ERC 1155, and ERC 20 tokens. It also talks to you a little bit more about the roadmap progress, as well as their second round of farming that is coming up. There are only 60 million Shroom, okay? There will never be any more Shroom created. But the cool thing about this ecosystem is that they're adding another token. No, it's not just a money grab. I know that's naturally the first thing that people think about. Is this a money grab? The team hasn't even sold only 1 ETH worth of tokens so far to pay for gas, okay? So they are focused on creating value. This next token is going to blend in very well with this ecosystem. I already know about it. They have spent a lot of time building up the decentralized exchange. This specific token is going to be wrapped into that exchange, and the Shroom token is going to be not just a governance token, because we know that governance tokens doesn't always just have value, but it's going to have a lot more value within that. But you need the Shroom token in order to get the new token. You got to stake for it. You have to farm for it. So that's the value of the Shroom token for now, along with getting fees and other rewards with the decentralized exchange that they're building. So it does have a lot of value, okay? So just know that that is going to come up very soon. They're going to announce more information by this weekend, and I think anybody who's selling the Shroom token right now is kind of crazy, because I do feel like the Shroom value is going to continue just to go up and up, okay? Only 4 million market cap right now, and they're trying to build something really special. If you don't know about non-fungible tokens, Cointelegraph has you covered. I will go ahead and drop this link below. They talk to you about fungible and non-fungible tokens. Because non-fungible token is a new term for a lot of people, basically it's easy. Bitcoin and a dollar, they're fungible assets. You can replace them with the exact same of equal value asset, okay? It's not the same dollar. If somebody gives you a dollar, you lose it, they give you another one. It's the same value. Non-fungible tokens are rare, they're individual, they're unique, okay? And so if you have a baseball card that is rare and worth a lot of money, if you lose it, somebody tries to give you another one, it's probably very likely it's not going to be the same. It's going to be very common. It's not going to have the same value, okay? So non-fungible tokens can be many things: collectibles, artwork, in-game assets, a lot of different things. Even crypto kitties, one sold for 600 Ethereum. Okay, that's a lot of money. At the time of the sale, it was $170,000. So a lot of people put a lot of value into NFTs. There is a market for this. Millions and billions of dollars for collectibles, gaming, virtual assets. We live in a digital era right now. Everything is moving online. Everything's moving to your mobile phone. There is a market for this, regardless of what people think. Typically, maybe a younger class of people, but as time continues on and everything goes digital, there's going to be a huge market for non-fungible tokens, non-fungible goods, digital goods. So just know that, and we're early. And I think that, again, Shroom Finance is trying to bridge DeFi, NFTs, and in-game assets, which is pretty cool. Now, as far as Shroom Finance, again, if you want this token, the place where you buy it is Uniswap. Uniswap, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the search above. So this is uniswap.info, and you're going to put in Shroom. If you type in Shroom all the way, you'll see shroom.finance. You're going to see the logo. You're going to click that, and then you're going to notice this is the Shroom page. You're going to see the amount of volume, the liquidity, and you're going to see the liquidity of Ethereum.Shroom, which is quite a bit, right? And really what you want to do, if you're looking to buy this, you're just going to go here. You're going to click trade, okay? And then what's going to happen is you're going to click I understand. And then before you do anything, you need to connect a wallet, okay? And basically, here, I'll even show you right here. If you've never used Uniswap, you hit connect wallet. You can use a MetaMask, Wallet Connect, Coinbase Wallet, Fortmatic, or Portus, okay? You can learn about wallets as well. Go ahead and read up on that. Most people use MetaMask because it's easy, okay? And when you connect your MetaMask, what's going to happen is you can then go ahead and you can buy Shroom, okay? You can go ahead and put how much Shroom you want. Maybe you want 100, okay? Excuse me. You don't want to sell Shroom. You want Shroom to be on the bottom, okay? You want to be able to swap Ethereum or any other asset for Shroom. And so in order to do that, again, you have to have Ethereum connected. So whether you use Coinbase or your MetaMask wallet, if you have never used MetaMask, go to metamask.io, download it, read the instructions. Basically, the only thing you have to do is you have to send Ethereum to your MetaMask wallet. And after you send Ethereum to your MetaMask wallet, you're going to notice that you have some Ethereum in there, and then you can buy Shroom. In order to buy Shroom and add it to the wallet, just go to the wallet, hit custom token, and you're going to go to the Etherscan page and copy and paste the address of the Shroom token, and then you're going to hit add new token, custom token, and you're going to copy and paste that in there, okay? And then from there, you can click add. And then once you have that, you're set to go, okay? So I'm not going to really go over a lot of detail as far as that goes. MetaMask is really easy. You just need to send Ethereum to that address, okay? If you open up MetaMask, you're gonna notice that in the middle here, you're going to have an address, and you just click it, and that copies to your clipboard. And then from there, you can go to another Ethereum wallet, post your new MetaMask Ethereum address, and then send Ethereum there. Any ERC20, any Ethereum-based token can actually be held by your MetaMask wallet. That's why so many people use it. It's a good thing to do. So you can put all your ERC20 tokens, including Shroom, in that. Now, quickly, how do you stake this, or how do you buy it? First, like I said, you go to Uniswap. Then you go ahead and you got to click swap. You confirm your swap, and from there, you go ahead and confirm it, okay? If it's really slow, you can speed up the gas. You can go ahead and hit fast on the very right, then save that, and then in the end, you confirm it, and then the Shroom buy will go through, and then you'll have your Shroom. And next, in order to receive rewards, you go ahead and you can stake that on the Shroom website, and we'll go ahead and talk about how to do that. So in order to stake Shroom on the website, you go to the buy and farm area, okay? And so you're either going to stake Shroom with a pair of Ethereum, USDT, Sushi, And that's pretty much it, okay? So whether it's Sushi, USDT, and Ethereum, you can stake and get the rewards for providing liquidity on Uniswap, okay? And the rewards that you're going to get are going to be towards the next token launch with the Shroom ecosystem, and it's going to be a big deal, okay? And so I am providing liquidity, and so all that you do is you decide which one of these that you want to provide liquidity for, and you click farm, okay? And so basically what you're going to do is you first have to have liquidity provider tokens in order to stake this, okay? Super easy. Just go back here or go back to Uniswap and you can hit add liquidity, okay, for the Shroom.finance. You know what's even easier is if you go down here and click Ethereum Shroom, USD Shroom, or Sushi Shroom, whichever one you want to provide liquidity for, go to that pairing on Uniswap and hit add liquidity. From there, what's going to happen is it's going to bring you to the liquidity page. You decide how much Shroom you want to provide liquidity with, okay? So the Uniswap decentralized exchange needs liquidity. So in order for people to buy and trade Shroom, there needs to be liquidity on that, and you're helping do that. And by doing so, you're being rewarded. So let's go ahead and throw in 1,000 Shroom to provide liquidity on the Uniswap protocol. And from there, we're going to get tokens, kind of like placeholders, that we're going to use to stake on the Shroom Finance website. Let's go ahead and approve Shroom. So after we approve this, we will be able to provide liquidity, or supply liquidity. And then all you do next is you hit supply. And by the way, by adding liquidity, you not only earn rewards for Shroom.finance, you also earn rewards on Uniswap. So supply that, confirm your supply. And what's going to happen is when you provide liquidity, you not only have to provide liquidity by giving some Shroom, you also have to have enough of the Ethereum or USDT or Sushi pair 2 to combine with Shroom, because you have to have both. It's a pool, okay? So you're going to get tokens. What's going to happen now is you're going to receive tokens that you can then go to the Shroom.finance page to stake in order to get rewards for Shroom.finance. Now, what you're going to notice is that you receive a certain amount of tokens, Shroom tokens, and it's right here. You're not going to necessarily see those in your wallet. If you go to your wallet, you can look at that, and they might not show up, and that's totally fine. Just know that you have those, and it shows you how much Shroom and how much Ethereum currently. This is the amount of Shroom and ETH value for this amount of tokens, okay? And if you ever want to remove these tokens, basically go to Manage. Okay, this is after you unstake, of course, on the Shroom Finance, and hit remove, and then you can remove your max amount of tokens. You approve it, and then you remove it. Okay, it's that easy. But then go to Shroom Finance. So now you have some tokens. Okay, it shows you right now. So you can go to buy farm. I'm staking, providing liquidity with the Ethereum Shroom pair. And what you're going to do first is approve Shroom Finance to, it says spin, approve spin to use these tokens to provide to stake. Okay, so you're going to first do that. And after you do that, after you approve that, what's going to happen next is you're going to click that stake button again. And then from there, you're going to be able to stake it to this website. And it's going to keep track of how much liquidity you're providing for the Shroom protocol. Okay, so as soon as you provide liquidity on Uniswap, come on over to Shroom.finance to this area. And then what you want to do is you want to stake these tokens so that you can earn rewards for Shroom Finance. Now that's approved. Go ahead and click stake again. You're going to put how many tokens of these LP tokens, just all of them typically. And then you're going to go through the same process again. And then what's going to happen is it's going to tell you whenever you have those staked. And then you'll refresh your page and you'll see the staked tokens, and that is it. So at this time, you're not earning any Shroom. There's no more Shroom to earn. But you are earning rewards for the next token and product that's coming out very soon. So that's a big deal. and you'll be one of the first people to be able to earn rewards on that through staking on the Shroom.finance website. Now you're going to notice that you've deposited your Shroom Finance. Now you're going to notice that you may have a little left in your wallet as far as these tokens, but then you're going to go ahead and have those staked. And if you refresh the page, there might be some information here. Okay, let me go back to this. Not for sure if anything on the Shroom will show up or not. If it does, just ignore that, because in the end you can't claim any Shroom. It's over. But by doing this, what's going to happen on the blockchain is the team is going to know that you have been staking, and they're going to know the amount that you've been staking for liquidity on Uniswap and providing that. And from that, they're going to be able to give you rewards, okay? And so you want to stay staked at this time. If you ever want to unstake your tokens and sell your Shroom, just click this negative button and just go ahead and withdraw and hit OK. And on MetaMask, or you're going to go ahead and click OK as well. And then all you're going to do from there is go back to the Ethereum Shroom area where you provide liquidity. And then you're going to see those LP tokens show up. And then right now, I don't have any because they're on the Shroom.finance page, so there's not really anything showing. But then once you get those back, which I had 11, you'll then be able to remove those, have your Shroom and Ethereum back. And just know as well, too, if you're staking Shroom and Shroom price goes way up, when that happens, you're going to have some loss of Shroom, but you're going to gain Ethereum, okay? And so know that that's going to happen. And so that's why I never stake all of my Shroom, because you can lose some value overall if that goes way up. Same thing if Ethereum goes way up. Typically, if Ethereum goes up hard, you tend to lose a little Ethereum and you get more Shroom out of it. If the price of Shroom goes down, you typically earn more Shroom during that time. And just know that that tends to happen a little bit when you pull. But the reward is that you're going to get a part of the new token and part of the Shroom Finance ecosystem. You're going to get big rewards in that matter. So again, this is Josh talking to you today about how to stake and buy Shroom. If you have any questions, just feel free to let me know, or go in the Telegram or the Discord for Shroom and talk to them. They'll also give you information. I'll drop some links below as well that'll help you along the way when it comes to trading and staking your Shroom. You guys have a great day, trade effectively, and we'll talk soon.